Now let's look at how Mr. Ralph will grade your forensics folder and some last tips to be able to ensure your forensics folder success. Now, one thing that Mr. Ralph has a really big pet peeve on when grading your forensics folder is organization. Mr. Ralph absolutely hates a messy folder. If you have an unorganized folder and you turn it into Mr. Ralph, you're probably not going to get a good grade on it. So make sure that as you get done with your papers, you quickly place them within your folder so then you don't forget to put any papers within your forensics folder and you don't have a stockpile of forensics papers that you will just stuff in there later, and then that will create a messy forensics folder and a bad situation for you and Mr. Ralph. And this is especially why having a big folder is necessary to place all of your paperwork within to. And this is why those tabs that you need to write on are necessary, so Mr. Ralph can easily locate things within your forensics folder so that it stays completely organized. Now, even though your paperwork section, your notes section, and Monday Funday sheet sections within your forensics folder are still extremely important, the most important part of your forensics folder is the event sections. This section within your forensics folder is actually worth 300 points each time that you give an in-class performance. So I would be extremely particular with how you organize those event sections, and I would make sure that you go down the checklist of each single paper that you need before your in-class performances so you ensure that you have a successful forensics folder in the end. Well, thank you guys for listening, and go forth